My name's Rebecca, and today I'm going to be sharing my tips and tricks on eating healthy on a student budget. If you're a university student like me, you're probably busy, broke, and hungry all the time, which makes it so tempting to eat instant ramen noodles and frozen pizza every day. Hopefully with these tips and tricks, you'll be able to get into a better mood and a healthier lifestyle. First, the secret to a happy wallet is grocery shopping the right way. A lot of my friends split their grocery shopping times into 2 to 3 trips a week. This can actually make you spend more money since every time you go, you're more likely to buy impulse purchases. So my tip is to go once a week to avoid wasting your time and your money. I typically schedule myself to shop every Saturday. Make sure to put it in your calendar so you don't forget. But if you're the type of person who can get easily tempted at the grocery store, you might want to shop online instead. I find that when I order my groceries online, I'm more conscious of how much I'm spending, less likely to buy impulse purchases, and less likely to forget things. If you're just not into online shopping, you can try splitting a Costco card with roommates or friends to save money on bulk items. But no matter which grocery store you go to, make sure to never shop hungry. You're guaranteed to make questionable purchases on an empty stomach. Make sure to eat a meal or a snack before you go. Next, don't be afraid to reach for cheaper, store-branded items. Just because the packaging isn't as sexy doesn't mean that the quality is any less, and usually the prices are way lower. My last tip for grocery shopping is to buy certain things frozen. This is a great way to save time and money. Some people worry that frozen produce isn't as healthy as fresh, but frozen produce is frozen at its peak, while fresh produce loses nutrition as it ages.
From downtown, and knocks it down.
Now that we've covered how to grocery shop the right way, let's talk about how to prep yourself for success. Every week, I dedicate my Sunday mornings to prepping my school lunches for throughout the week. This helps me eat nutritious and healthy food without buying the overpriced food on campus. If you know you're not the type of person that can eat the same meal for 5 days in a week, you can split it up. Make one meal for Monday to Wednesday, and on Wednesday night, you can prep for Thursday and Friday. Whenever you make dinner, you can make extras so you can use those leftovers to eat throughout the week as well. But whatever you do, you have to make it tasty. If you just make plain chicken and steamed veggies for 5 days in a row, you'll become so sick of it. Make meals that are flavorful, and you'll be less likely to eat out. I personally like to use things like hummus, black bean sauce, salsa, and guac to keep things interesting. Since meat is quite expensive, I do like to switch it out occasionally with beans, tofu, and eggs every once in a while. Also, if you know you're too lazy to meal prep all the time, you should always keep things on hand that you can turn quickly into a meal. Finally, make sure you be realistic about how much you need to fill you up throughout the day. Try to bring not only your lunch, but also some sweet and salty snacks to satisfy your cravings throughout the day. I like to always keep an emergency snack on me so that I don't have to buy something when I'm desperate for food. I even bring my own coffee and smoothies to avoid paying $5 to $8 for that on campus. When you're eating better and realize how much money you're saving, you'll feel so good about yourself that you'll continue to do it until it becomes a habit. I hope these tips were helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any tips on eating healthy while being on a student budget. Good luck with the rest of the semester and stay healthy.